Overseas now, Donald Trump has landed in Miami to meet with his lawyers ahead of his court arraignment tomorrow. The former president is expected to be formally charged under the Espionage Act over his handling of classified documents. Our Washington correspondent Annalise Nielsen joins us live now. Annalise, Donald Trump is still assembling his legal team.
That's proving to be one of the challenges for Donald Trump. He needs someone registered within this local jurisdiction to represent him to be formally arraigned, and there has been a lot of movement within his legal team. But you can anticipate that that would be the case given how high profile this is and how unprecedented. A former president of the United States facing a federal indictment with charges that carry potential jail time if convicted. This will be a trial for the ages. We're already hearing reports that there'll be a rally in support of the president here when he appears at court tomorrow. And there are already supporters gathering at the hotel where he's expected to stay tonight, his own resort here in Miami. There's both supporters and critics of Donald Trump seizing this moment.
Enough is enough. Let's call a spade a spade. I'm not blind. The world can't be blind. We know what this con artist from New York has gotten away with. Enough is enough. He needs to pay.
I support Trump. He is a president who told us what he was going to do. He kept his word and did it. And he's a precedent for the average, everyday American.
Pete, Miami has quite a large Hispanic population that stayed quite loyal to the former president. It's expected they will have quite a showing here tomorrow. Now, Donald Trump's expected to appear in person. If he has the right legal representation, he can then be formally arraigned. It's understood that he'll surrender himself to court, but there won't be the usual process of handcuffing or a mugshot. There's also been an application by media groups to allow access for video and audio links into the court to see what's happening. Right now, the only kind of glimpse of the outside world is allowed in is through court sketches, and so that may change as well. All eyes will, though, be on what's happening here tomorrow.
Annalise Nielsen, live for us from Miami, Florida. Thank you, Annalise.